Good day, my craft along buddies. This is Jennifer with Just Crafting Along. Welcome to my channel. So I just want to bring to your attention this wonderful display that I have now for the Recollections. It's massive and it's really cute. Lots of good things. Like, look at this. It's only $19.99. It's a rotating cutting platform, stapler that is magnetic. We can put it wherever you want on your paper. Scissors. They also have a button machine for $69.99 with the button attachments. Cinch. I'm not for sure if this right here is a cinch, but lots of We Are Makers or We Are Memory Keepers dupes. So lots of things that I've seen, mostly like the We Are Memory Keepers. I actually have this. This is wonderful. But it's got the same black lines like We Are Memory Keepers. I also have this. I also got this. And I also got this. You also have the platform guide. Scissors. These are really cute too. This little edge. This rotating scissors. Self-cutting mat. Self-healing mat also. This is a 4-in-1 trimmer. This is a trimmer. I think what you do is those edges, well, you turn those and then they will cut different patterns. And those are the patterns that it cuts. You also have a Sizzix machine with the Sizzix platforms up there. They also have the paper all-in-one die cut tool where you can push the paper out with a brush. It's got these things on the side that pop out. Get a needle and a spatula. That's kind of cool. You also have quilling tools. You have the blades for that up there. And you have hole punches. You have the screw hole punch, the 3-hole punch, number of punches, the big ones and the little ones, the corner punches. These are kind of cool too. Quarter dies. And then this actually is a crocodile. It's $24.99, but this is a crocodile for $24.99. I just bought the We Are Memory Keepers on clearance for $28.99. So, number of nesting dies. A packet of 16. Another packet of 15 dies. We got the alphabet. We got border dies. Cute. We got the mushrooms, and then you have the mushroom embossing folder. The 2 mushrooms embossing folder. We also have the gears to go with this gear. I can put this back on. You got this, stars, clouds, so houses, little tiny houses, bugs. The bugs are really cute. So I like this. You can see they have embossing folders. So very big. And then if you, even their Fiskars, but if you come down the ink aisle, they changed up their ink aisle to have more stamps here, but they have their own brand of ink pads and re-inkers. It's only $6.99 for the pads and then $9.99 for the re-inkers for each color. So that's good. And then they kind of did the Tim Holtz is kind of slender now. There's not as much Tim Holtz. So this is a big change for my store. And then the inks. Then you also have Recollections has also done stamps and stencils. The cityscapes, flowers. Stamps, lots of stamps. Another thing I noticed too is that they've come up with a double-sided magnetic platform for stamping. Here's the guide that goes with the stamp platform. I think they have a bigger stamp platform because this one's not big enough to go with this one. So they have this one also. Stamp cleaner. They have so many things. Chamois. This is $14.99 for the Love Vacuum. Then you got this over here. Has all changed. Lots of Recollections, and I kind of like it. Now too. Maybe I just never noticed it before. They have a lot of Recollections here now. Here you have the Cricut Maker 4. I'm gonna call this the eye candy. This thing is so adorably cute. If I didn't already have a maker that I just bought from Joann's, I would possibly get a Maker 4. It is adorable. In love. This is the clearance section at my store. This clearance section of mine is located in the back of the store by the bathrooms, and we're going to be shopping and browsing the $10 and up section.
This is where all of the We Are Memory Keepers items are located. There's tons of items still left at my store. This video was made on March 22nd of 2025, but I did go back on April 27th of 2025, and a lot of these products are still there. You have the Cinch, you have the laser guide, you have this Friskers cutting board, which is absolutely adorable. It's on a list to get. You have punch boards, you have punches, you have lots of items. I also have those glasses, but did not get them on clearance. But I do have my eye on this glass cutting board back here. There is currently one left at my store. It's still going for $20, regularly $40. I'm waiting for it to fall under, and once it does, I might be bringing it home. So to end the video, I just want to say, Michaels, I see you. Now that Joann's is going out of business, they've decided to put their fabric in sewing machines right by the front door when you walk right in. So you walk in those double doors, the sewing machine and fabric is right in front of you, along with some ribbon. Well played, Michaels. Let me tell you, that was the smartest thing I've ever seen. Thank you for watching, my Craft Along buddies. If you loved what you saw today, please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, lots of love, and see you soon.